You may have heard these terms used interchangeably, but if you're planning a home improvement project, it's crucial to understand the difference. While both renovation and remodel will give your home a fresh look, they're quite different, each with its own set of benefits. Let's break it down so you can choose the best option for your home. Hello and welcome to our channel, NDN House. We're so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into a topic that many homeowners are curious about. What's the difference, renovation versus remodel? Renovation, updating without changing function. A renovation is all about updating the look and feel of a space without changing its intended purpose. For example, a kitchen remains a kitchen, and a bedroom remains a bedroom. But we might update the flooring, paint the walls, or swap out old fixtures like cabinet knobs or faucets. Renovation can also include structural repairs like fixing rotted wood or replacing damaged subfloors. Remodel, changing design or functionality. In a remodel, the design and sometimes the structure of a space is altered. For example, you might tear down a wall to expand your bathroom or reconfigure your kitchen layout, moving things like the fridge, sink, and cabinets. Adding a new room or converting a space for a different purpose, like turning a guest bedroom into an office, is also considered a remodel. Cost remodels are typically more expensive. Because remodels often involve major changes to the layout or structure, they tend to be more complex and expensive. You may need to update plumbing, wiring, or ductwork, and more specialized labor is required. Renovations, on the other hand, are usually simpler, which means they're easier on your budget. Permits to remodels almost always require them. Permits are usually required for remodeling because you're changing the structure of the home. Simple renovations like painting or replacing carpet don't need permits, but if you're adding a room or tearing down walls, you'll need to get permission from your local building authority. DIY-friendly renovations are easier for DIY projects. If you're someone who loves to take on home improvement projects yourself, a renovation might be the way to go. Things like painting, installing trim, or even replacing faucets are all projects you can handle with some basic skills. However, remodels often require professional help, especially if you're dealing with structural changes or new additions. Return on investment renovations offer a better ROI. Since renovations are typically cheaper and focus on updating existing features of the home, they usually offer a better return on investment, ROI. For example, replacing your front door or adding new siding could get you about 75% to 98% ROI when you sell. On the other hand, major remodels like a full kitchen remodel or master suite addition may only bring back 50% to 60% of the cost when you sell. Remodeling is the solution for poor home design. If your home has design flaws like walking through one bedroom to get to another, remodeling is likely your only option. In many older homes, poor design was common before modern building codes came into play. Historic homes, only renovation is allowed. If you're buying a home that's listed as a historic property, remodeling isn't an option. Historic homes need to be restored to their original look, which could mean replacing old siding with the same wood type, or repairing plaster walls instead of replacing them with drywall. In these cases, you'll be doing a renovation, not a remodel. So, what's the takeaway? Both renovation and remodel have their own value, and understanding the key differences will help you make the right choice for your project. If you found this information helpful, here's how you can support our channel. Buy products through the link in the description to support our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. Leave your questions or comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.